let's take a look at the DJI Mini 3 Pro flying at night on the 4th of July in Las Vegas. We filmed large fireworks shows from far away, as well as some large fireworks close up. And we also filmed small fireworks on our street. And we filmed our house covered in red, white, and blue, as well as our neighbors. So we hope you enjoy this quick show. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is magnificent. It's easy to fly, and the 4K video is amazing. And I hope this inspires you to get out there and fly at night. Enjoy the show, and thank you so much for watching. And make sure to give a thumbs up and share this video. And please subscribe, it's totally free.